let's get you all the very latest political developments we're tracking this evening. Mohammad Ghazali is live with us. Akshay Dongre also joins us from the national capital. Akshay, to you first. Sources have indicated to you that the ban on roadshows and political rallies is likely to be extended by the Election Commission. We're, of course, awaiting an official notification to the effect.
Well, the Election Commission, after a series of meetings with the health officials as well as the election officials in the 5 poll-bound states, has decided to, in fact, extend the ban on any kind of political rallies or gatherings in the 5 poll-bound states. This is what the sources are telling us right now. There were a lot of meetings today by the Election Commission. First meeting was with the Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan, following which there was a meeting with the health secretaries as well as the chief secretaries of the 5 poll-bound states, and then there was a meeting with chief electoral officers of these 5 states. The decision now has been made, according to sources, that the ban that was gonna continue, that was till the 15th of January, will continue now. The number of days, however, has not been specified, but that will become clear once the statement by the Election Commission comes out. This was in fact being indicated by a lot of health officials, that any kind of political rallies, any kind of political gatherings will in fact act as super spreader events, especially at a time when these 5 poll-bound states, all of them are showing a significant rise in the number of COVID-19 cases. In fact, if we look at the state of Uttar Pradesh, which is one of the most significant states as far as the number of voters is concerned, that state has seen a 14% rise in the number of active cases within just 1 week. So the situation is alarming. The number of cases are going up, and amid COVID cases going up and the positivity rate across the country increasing to new highs, this in fact ban is coming at the right time, and it is a continuation of the ban that was gonna end today. So there were a lot of questions that whether the ban will be extended or not, but now sources are telling us that the Election Commission has now come to a consensus that any kind of end to this particular ban will be detrimental for the health infrastructure of all of these 5 poll-bound states.